Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, we're back again. We've had a little bit of time off, not for pleasant reasons. Hopefully you've seen the video already that I've done explaining what's been going on. But yeah, I'm back. I'm doing a few small videos at the moment. Nothing major, but we do have a big video on the horizon. But we're starting off with this one. This one is a little different than what I usually do because it's not a game. It's not a add-on for a game. It's not any form of accessory for a game. It's a puzzle. Theseus and the Minotaur Puzzle. There we go. Myths and legends. Twist and turn the maze to remove the ball safely. Sorry, twist and turn the maze to move the ball safely around the labyrinth. That's what it says there. Puzzles inspired by the world's greatest tales. The aim of it is to rotate the labyrinth to guide the ball from the start point to the end. Explore the depths of history's most challenging maze with this captivating wooden puzzle based on the ancient Greek myth. Includes a story booklet with the tense tale of Theseus and the ferocious Minotaur. And I've left my knife of opening somewhere other than where I need it. So let me just attempt with these. They may look nice, but they're not very good at opening. Hang on, bear with me. Let me just get my knife. I've just seen where it is. It's not very far away. Here we go. Oh, yes, got it. Here we are. So let's slice this part open. Let's slice this part open. And let's delve into the box. Here we go. That's Theseus and the Minotaur. There we go, for anybody who doesn't know. There we go. And there we go, you've read it all. Or at least I hope you have. So in here is a ball somewhere. And it's double-sided. Okay. Where do we find the ball? I don't know. I can hear it rattling. There we go. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. There we are. There's the little ball. What we can see it there. Now then, where do I move it to? Let's move it down there. There's a train. Yeah, so you don't actually twist this. No, you don't twist it because it's sealed with these little nuts or screws, bolts, whatever you want to call it. So it's just now a case of trying to find where the ball is. There we go. It's moved a little bit. This is going to take some doing. I'm not very good at puzzles. I didn't realise it was like this. I thought it was just a case of trying to guide it through here. I didn't realise I'd have to twist and turn this. Thank you, train. I didn't realise I would have to do it all like this. There we are. There's not much in the line of yeah, not much in the line of ease. I don't think this. I think this is going to frustrate me more than anything else. It's a nice thing to have on a table for anybody to pick up and just have a tinker with, see what they can do with it. The object is to try and get it here. So try to get it here. So it starts in, ends there, starts there, and it's, as I say, trying to keep an eye on where the ball is, or even find the ball in some cases is the hard thing to do. Because the holes are so close together with some of them that it's difficult to see and difficult to work out where or how to get to see the ball, never mind anything else. But let's do a quick spin. But it's a nice looking thing. It's, again, wood. It looks like it's, not sure whether it's plywood with perspex over, connected again by these brass screws, or brass bolts rather. Just a nice little puzzle that we can use and try to solve. Whether I can do it, I don't know. I'm not even going to attempt it on this camera because, yeah, I'm not very good with puzzles. But as I say, it just appealed to me because of my liking of Greek mythology. And if I can get this into the middle on camera, it's going to be more good luck than good judgment. So at the moment we're here. But yeah, that's it. That's the Theseus and the Minotaur puzzle. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm completely stumped with it, but as I say, it's going to be a nice little thing to have on a table for people to just pick up and fiddle about with. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to actually do it, but it's a, come on, it's a fidget toy more than anything else. But it's a nice looking fidget toy. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.